Ganda.
Oh my God, ang ganda.
Diba?
Amazing.
Ganda nung shot ko kanina. Tignan mo mamaya. Atras siya pero paakyat.
Let's eat.
Let me try this steak first. Aura-aura lang. Tara. Cute yung mga turn-down service. What's this? Ba't ibang smoothie?
I know.
May juice meron pa dun.
Mag-blueberry muna. So, anong order natin yan?
Para sa paborito kong jowa. Only hotel guests ang naandito. So, medyo feeling exclusive, no? Ito yung standard Canong-chin. You eat it with fried chicken, remember? We are here in
Silawadi
Pool Resort and Spa.
สวัสดีค่ะ This one for you. Excuse me. Welcome drink please. Lemon curd juice with honey and lime ค่ะ
Thank you. Pag wala.
Okay.
Welcome.
Oh,
Let's have some hat and some.
this is cute. Cute.
We do the green hotel and we have some. Yes.
Nice. And what about what's in this?
This is for the gift set for the Bylido. Our hotel product brand for the shower, we use the Bylido product ค่ะ Tea coffee with ice cube for complimentary fee for you. That if you need anything more, you can call us zero. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Five.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ
Avocado. Let's put it here.
Grabe the attention to detail. Pansin mo?
Right.
With everything. Amenities lalo na. Wow, this is all libre. Sobrang cute ni ate no yung nag-check-in sa atin.
Si Pai. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very attentive.
Maganda, merong app. So lahat nandun pwede mong i-check.
Yeah.
In fairness sa mga hotels na, may mga pag-ganun na sila, no? We have a new message.
From Silawadi.
Wi-Fi username. So, andito na lahat, ano ang galing?
What do you want to watch?
Our channel. Don't, this is what I need.
Young and Mike.
Wow, the handle is leather. Dong,
Cute.
I need this. Welcome to Silawadi. We wish you a relaxing, wonderful, and productive stay with us while exploring the island of Koh Samui. Best regards. This is Tristan, the general manager. Ang cute naman, it's handwritten also. And we've got some goodies. My facial toner, my hand cream. This is a pillow mist ng RT and eye cream. Ay, ang galing. Pansin mo? These are all parang products na wala ka. Kasi
Exactly.
we have our own skincare na eh. So they know na people have their own skincare brands that they use. So bigay natin yung wala sila. That's smart. This is a ay, ang cute. Water bottle. Ay, nice. Ay, nice. Okay, everything here is complimentary. And their water is Evian too. Orange juice mango. This one I want to try. Oh. Samui craft soda of Samui passion fruit pineapple. I'm gonna try that later.
Gusto mo?
Yeah. Tira mo lang ako, maya na ako mag-ano. Maya na ako kakain sa ano.
It's good.
Pagdating ng order, sabay-sabay ko pati fruit. Ay, ang ganda here. Loves it. Ay, salamat yung kumot, hindi yung mainit. Hello.
May I come in please?
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Gusto ko pa complimentary dessert nila.
Ano? I'm just so excited kasi I'm gonna be celebrating my 34th year in 3 days. Almost 2 p.m. na, hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Kaka-check lang namin sa isang hotel, then nag-move kami here. That's why we decided to just order food.
Service. Let's eat muna. Which one do you wanna?
I'm gonna have dessert last kasi I'm gonna eat savory first.
Okay, ako na muna.
Go. Inom lang ako ng, hindi pa ako nakapag-vitamin. Nag-vitamins pa ako ng umaga. Breakfast. Hindi. Pulled pork. Mukhang sarap. This is so sulit. Ang pait na mukha ko dun. No. Mas mabay mo ka daw. Anong mas maganda? Ito or ito?
Yung pangalawa.
Really?
Don't turn, don't go.
Thank you.
Aperol Spritz. And ano daw yun sa'yo? Grabe, this is a nice view talaga.
Yeah.
Meron din silang isa pang restaurant kaso ginagawa.
Ang cute ng dagat no kasi it's very wavy. Tignan mo.
Cute ng dagat. Lasing na ako.
Noted.
You are beautiful.
Ang dami pala.
What they say.
Hindi ka na magka-cocktail, di ba?
I won't, but if they have wine.
Meron silang wine, sparkling. For the drinks, we'll get 1 Silawati Passion.
1 Silawati Passion.
And fresh lassi.
Yes.
Oops, okay. Let me try the steak first. Yum. Sarap ng lobster.
Crabs and lobster very common sa amin.
Sa amin, blue crabs madami, tsaka madaming yung alupihang dagat. I don't know if you know.
What's that?
Parang siyang mantis shrimp.
I never tried sa Tandag.
And some sauce stick or lemon sauce?
Yeah, maybe you do have the Thai seafood sauce? Okay.
Nag-isip ako ng sauce na pwede for that.
Actually, naisip ko in the moment.
Perfect dun sa lobster. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is ribeye sauce for steak. This is the Thai style.
Okay.
The seafood sauce and the steak. Would you like to order something else? Or coffee?
Okay, this is actually a lot.
What would you recommend?
May I recommend the Silawati salad and the Silawati Caesar salad.
I think let's just get the Silawati salad. Thank you.
Hot.
Silawati salad, please.
Oh wow. That is a lot. Let's go on one.
Big for you, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the most amount of protein I've eaten in one sitting. Meron tayong steak, lobster, scallops, chicken, and then tuna. Everything was good if I'm gonna rank it. Steak, and then lobster, and then scallops, and then the rest. Thank you. Ay, pag ganito, ay may little gift. Tara. Cute yung mga turn down service. What's this? Kanamping. Kung para siyang porous na cookie, matigas siya. Pero pag nabasa siya, nagme-melt siya. So pagka pasok mo sa bibig mo, nagme-melt siya. Araro cookie tawag sa amin. Kanamping.
Gawa mo siya. Let's eat.
Napicturean na muna yung mga item.
Yes.
Grabe, so sure. Tikman ko muna yung coffee nila. If it's capsule or... Okay, this is not capsules. May iba't ibang cheese. May blue cheese din. Tapos may salad. Iba't ibang smoothie.
I know.
May juice, meron pa dun.
Magbo-blueberry muna.
May fresh fruit. Grabe, ang dami. May pancakes pa tsaka desserts. Doon siya, lumusot.
Kaya.
Itong isa naman.
Buksan mo ako ng tea, please.
Okay, babe. Here's to you, my baby. I love you. What's your birthday gift to me?
This.
Hoy. Ang spelling, meron ba dito ito? Ano yun? Pakita ko kung gano'ng kasipag ang
Video tulong.
okay. Lahat na lang ako. Tara. Ganda.
Oh my God, ang ganda.
Diba?
Amazing.
It's a very rocky beach. Pero maganda. Ang best part of it is it's a private beach. So only hotel guests ang naandito. So medyo feeling exclusive, no? Diba yun? Ito yung standard kanumchin. You eat it with fried chicken, remember? Kaya pag umorder ako nito sa Grab, lagi may kasama fried chicken. May tatlong type of curries. This is
Coconut milk.
crab, of course. Ito. Ito hindi crab, anghang. Ito. Fish, mackerel. Sticky rice. Kasi ano to delicate yung noodles, so nadudurog siya sa bibig mo. Eh yung sauce is liquidy. So maganda siyang combination.
Yung crab nila, mukhang, oh my God, yan, mabuo-buo.
Oh my God, ang lalaki. This is all pure crab meat. Grabe, ang dami. Ano mo?
Wow.
Wow, ang laking chunk ng ng crab. Meat. Wow. Thank you.
No.
Aura-aura lang. Tara.
Maganda sana dun sa mga bato talaga. For that bato.
Mamaya, punta tayo dun. Pwede naman tayo pupunta dun na, We are here in
Silawadi.
Pool Resort and Spa. Dito sa Koh Samui. It's a resort by the cliff. And then, meron lang little private beach on the side of the property. Tapos, if you look at the hotel, puro siya rocks. Yung paligid ng hotel, kasi sila in Thai language means rock. And then, wadi I think means beautiful. So, tara na, punta na tayo dun. Grow.
Hop like a bunny. Doon tayo sa dagat ulit.
Ano yung sinabi mo before that? Yung kanina?
pag wala ka tagang pera, hindi mo ma-enjoy yung ganito.
Yung authentic joy daw, hindi daw nabibili ng pera. Okay, let's say that is true. Pero one fact we all have to admit is, hindi mo nabibili ng pera yon. Actually, ang daming nabibili ng pera. Na feeling, hindi bagay. And yung feeling na yon is you get from getting nice things.
Nice things and
Food.
Food,
experience, travel. Most of the time, expensive. Diba? That brings happiness to a lot of people. Kaya nga naalala ko yung sinabi ni may si Kim's Diary ba yung sabi niya? Tinanong siya ni Alex Gonzaga, daw sikreto ng relationship nila nung asawa niya, sabi niya. Basta madami ka lang pera. Parang nakakatawa siya initially, pero if you really think about it, it's kind of true.
Yeah.
Na, siguro it's not a foolproof parang resource to maintain or to sustain a relationship, pero actually it helps a lot.
Yeah.
Kasi pag may pera ka, yung mga trivial things, di mo na iisipin. Ang iisipin mo na lang is yung paano nyo mapasaya isa't isa. Parang ganon. Kaya ang goal is to have more than enough money. Ngayon, yung what's enough for each person is iba-iba, di ba? Ikaw naman magdedepende nun, depende sa kung anong lifestyle ang meron ka.
Yeah.
A lot of people blame money for the evil things that people do. Money is not evil. Money is just not evil. It's the people.
Kaya invite mo na sila sa Pi Network. Doon tayo sa dulo. Yung parang sandbar.
Stone yun.
Hindi doon. Sa malayo.
Okay.
Crab na naman. We're so far away. How is the microphone?
Ito ang test niya. We are like how many meters away? Mga 20 to 30 meters away. Let's see kung malakas pa din. We're ready? I will get the set A with the stir-fried beef.
Set A.
We'll get the one with the fish fillet and coconut ice cream with Earl Grey tea. It's amazing how geography and then weather plays into culture, also food. Kasi trivia is dito sa Southern Thailand, mas maanghang ang mga pagkain. Number one, kasi dito yung perfect weather to grow chilies. Sa north kasi medyo malamig.
Oh my God.
Masarap. Sarap. Wow. Sobrang sarap. Alam mo, homemade na premium.
Wow!
Naka-turn down service ko din.
The drama.
Ay, wow. Ang daming paan-jar. Ay! Ang daming flowers! Oh, wow!
Yeah.
Punong-puno!
Kalapate yan. $24 na pala. Bukas sa birthday mo. Oh my God.
Ano daw? Ay, paalis na tayo bukas. Pero, this is easily the best vacation we've ever done. The resort, the property, the hotel, the staff.
Tingin? Kung saan kaya yan?
Yung pinakamalayo.
Wow.
Wait lang. Ang ganda nung shot ko kanina. Tignan mo mama. Atras siya pero paakyat. Ganyan ulit. Kailangan lalayuan pa natin. Back.
Malayo na actually yun.
Ay, i-video natin siya.
Wow! Ang ganda. Ang ganda rin ng dagat sa maligo ngayon, no? Yes.
Yan, it's directly, paddleboard yan. Dahil may construction sa resort now, yan, nilipat nga nila yung itong spa sa 2-bedroom nila ata ito, nilipat nila here.
Magsa-spa kami guys, so we'll be back later. How's the massage?
Massage ang sarap. Pinang gusto kong part sa braso. Mas kinikilabutan ako all the way. Ikaw? All throughout pala. All the way doon. Natayuan yung balahibo ko sa'yo. Ganun din?
Nakakatawa kasi si ate girl. Papasok niya na ba yung foyer natin. Nabutas niya. Is everything okay?
Yeah. And then we will inform the engineer come to fix it for you.
Okay, no problem. It's so nice.
Picture mo na tapos ilipat na natin doon agad.
So bumagsak yung camera guys while filming. But at least okay yung camera, matibay. Pati yung lens. It's time to eat.
Meringue? Lemon?
Lemon meringue. It's perfect. Hindi siya maasim. Tapos fluffy siya. So pag kinagat mo parang nag-burst yung lemon.
Sarap na mangga. Dahil in season siya.
O nga no, summer na pala. Let's answer some questions from Instagram. As a new fan, I'm curious, how did you both came out to your parents and the public? I love you guys, from OFFX.Nicolas.
To our families, what's interesting is there is none. There's no coming out moment.
Yeah.
Parang both of our families kind of new naman.
Yeah. We're so gay, ganun.
Yung
Miss
public
Sandy.
naman, kasi yung channel naman natin, yun ang whole premise of it, na we're a couple, we're doing content together. So, there was no need for it.
Sa akin naman kasi, yung tito ko.
Ano?
Kasi,
Kwento ni Lola Bash siya.
kasi bading yung tito ko eh. So parang madali lang tanggapin sa akin kasi nga yung tito ko masipag, inaalagaan yung pamilya niya.
Pero
so
ang
feeling
galing.
nila sa akin, ganun din ako maalagaan.
Meron akong fascinating realization.
Yeah.
Kasi totoo, di ba, yung mga bading hindi naman nagkakaanak. Pero sa pamilya, each generation lagi may isa. Yung sa generation na yun, hindi naman siya nagkasawa, nagkaanak. Pero sa next generation, sa mga pamangkin, meron ulit. Hanggang sa meron ulit.
Sa inyo, ikaw yung first, di ba?
Ako, I think I'm first yung openly gay. Pero feeling ko, di ba yung coming out naman is for the person to do. Parang someone else cannot out you kasi it's wrong. May mga taong hindi nag-out. Paano ka mag-out kung sasabihin sa'yo, sayang ka. So parang in a way, pinipigilan ka mag-out. Hindi ka nag-out kasi it comes from fear na baka ma-judge ka, baka matakwil ka sa pamilya, baka mawalan ka ng kaibigan. Lalim ng hininga. Yun yung isa sa mga rason bakit maraming hindi nag-out. Why people stay in the closet. Kasi the environment around them parang fosters that kind of thinking.
Have you considered staying for good in Thailand or Vietnam or Cambodia?
Considered, oo.
Maybe Thailand, kasi dito na tayo eh.
Sa current situation natin ngayon, para tumagal tayo dito, we need to be working forever. Kasi our visa is tied with an employment. Aside from that, ang ating other options are yung destination visa for digital nomad. Aside from that is yung elite visa, which is super expensive. Aside from that is yung magpapakasal sa Thai, which is never gonna happen. Yun lang options natin. So, kung kino-consider, yes. Pero, sa ngayon malabo pa.
So, anong order natin, Nen?
Mango salad and coconut ice cream. Do you agree? May mocktail sila. Parang
wine.
Kasi naman. Hindi ako magka-alcohol. I don't like alcohol, you know that. Mag-red wine ka, gusto mo? Or white?
I-picture ba yun? Live pala, live photo.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy your drink.
Kapong kap.
There's some turmeric. Sarap. That, the warm one. That right there. Thank you. This is Yamamuang. Ating kapatid para sa paborito kong jowa.
Ilan ba jowa mo?
Isa lang. These are our carrots.
It's Jill. Say hi, Jill.
Hello, Jill.
Did you guys ever had second thoughts living in Thailand po ba? Like in your early months?
Ako nung pagdating ko dun sa bahay na tinutuluyan natin,
I came all the way for this.
kasi
Ganun ba?
yung unang school assignment natin, di ba, sobrang layo sa Kabihasna. As in sa middle na
Yeah.
Kabundukan sa malapit sa Cambodia. Tapos yung bahay is provided ng school. Nag-isip ako nung nakita ko yung bahay. Kasi sobrang rundown na habang luma. Ang daming agiw. Ang daming pupo ng mga iba't ibang insekto, mga toko, butiki, as in sobrang dumi. Walang aircon. Doon ako nag-second thought. Ang mindset ko noon, I need to parang magtiis muna sa una. Kasi mali mo naman, better opportunities will come. Yun yung second thoughts ko. Ikaw?
It was okay for me kasi I was with my friends.
Nag-second thought ka ba ever?
Hindi.
Oh, wow.
Kasi
Why?
tumagal ako dun eh. I don't know, siguro masyado na akong okay sa mga mediocre na bagay.
Okay. After 5 years, parang bagal ng career growth, bagal ng... Ang hirap makaipon kasi nga maliit lang sahod natin doon. Kaya nga nag-Vietnam tayo, di ba? Nag-try tayo mag-Vietnam.
Yeah.
Pero ang ending, bumalik pa rin tayo Thailand. Ito, di masarap yung coconut ice cream nila. Dito, Bill. Tong Muan with our compliments. It's an extra crispy cigar shape. Sabi ni Teacher Day. You know, you should start your own vlog. Mahilig ka naman din sa plants, sabi niya. Kasi si Benji. Sabi niya, think of the people na nag-push ng buttons. Actually, I'm in Suratani now. Yes. Until today. We're going to Taiwan. I was planning to come see you, but I saw in your profile you've been uploading photos of you in the US. So yeah. You mentioned to me once that I should start the vlog. Do you remember it? We were talking about Benji plant. Yeah. Maybe you're one of the reasons why I started. It's been a long time, Teacher Deng.
Nagawa niya agad. Wow. Bilis.
Meron silang pag-gift, coconut, milk, sugar. Hindi nila alam, lahat ng free snacks sa room na iuwi na natin.
สวัสดีค่ะ
I can't wait to go back, especially after all the renovations are done. I'm gonna miss this place so much. This is the most meaningful birthday celebration ever. Actually, I don't celebrate birthdays naman, di ba? But it just so happened na our travel plans parang coincided with my birthday. So I'm super happy, super satisfied. The staff, they're amazing. Food was a chef's kiss. The villa itself, you know, it's just a place that you want to be your home, that you want to be your home. It's time to say goodbye to this place, but gusto kong bumalik talaga dito. Kung magsasamoy tayo ulit, dito tayo magstay. Thank you! Thank you! Khop khun krap!